Happy Labor Day. Today is Monday, September 1st. I cannot believe we're in September. It is 9:46 a.m., girl, and I'm about to prep our food for grilling. I thawed out my meat. I have my 2 pounds ground beef. We have these thick cut ribeye steaks, y'all. I left this stuff in the freezer. My husband put everything in there from the grocery store, so I had to thaw a lot of stuff because I like my stuff thawed when I season, okay? And then we have this this is about 3 pounds of jumbo drumsticks. So we're gonna grill these two, plus my husband is getting some ribs from our local grocery store, and then I'm gonna grill some hot dogs. I wanna grill stuff where we have things to eat all week. It's a busy week ahead, and I don't wanna have to cook anything but some sides, okay? So anyway, with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and pat out burgers. Layla always has to have her own burger. I don't put seasoning on hers, so we'll get started with the ground beef, set these aside. Then I'll season my steak. And then my husband will be home from the gym and we're gonna get started, y'all. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna start on this chicken, which I need to clean thoroughly. Okay, so I thawed this out. There's a lot of them, which is great because we love some chicken, honey, around here. And I like drumsticks. I've always been big on those. Okay, these are still a little thawed, but by the time I wash these and everything, it'll be perfectly fine. I'm gonna wash these, y'all, off camera. You know, you always wanna clean your chicken thoroughly, y'all. Now onto the chicken, okay? I am almost out of this Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs barbecue seasoning. I did a collaboration with Uncle Dave's and he sent me these he sent me 2 different spices. I'm almost out of this one. I haven't even tried the savory salt one. But y'all, this stuff right here is the truth. It tastes so good. And it's gonna be extra good when we put it on this chicken on the grill, okay? So you really don't even have to use this for the grilled taste, but I love the seasoning, okay? So I'm just gonna start just adding, y'all. My husband just texted and he's getting the baked beans and potato salad. But let me show you what here. I added this seasoning. I always add my Lowry's, okay? Always. And the grilled taste alone is sufficient. You know, you can just add pepper. Some people just add salt like they do with steaks, but we love seasoning here, so I season everything. There's no such thing as me putting chicken on the grill with no seasoning. You won't see that here. And I like a lot of garlic. And you could put any other seasoning you like on here because we are gonna add barbecue sauce also. Usually I'll go in with some gloves on, y'all. Ooh, I'm about to sneeze. Woo, that pepper. But I'm not. I'm just gonna give this a quick toss. Always with clean hands, y'all. So this is my kitchen. My hands are always clean here. This is gonna be so good. And I want to make sure this seasoning is all under that skin, y'all. So I'm trying to massage these in as best I can. All right, I want seasoning on everything. There are very few times that we grill throughout the year. So honey, when I grill food, I want the seasoning perfected. I was listening to my gospel music and it was so loud I had to turn it down while I was filming. I almost started filming with it blasting. I forgot to remind him to take these thick cut ribeyes these thick cut ribeyes out of the freezer last night. So you know before you cook these at all, especially searing, I know just rule of thumb, I've always allowed these to sit for a while at room temperature. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to season just a little. Now, most people I know will say, but this is how I do it. Most people say you only need a little bit of salt and pepper. I agree. But for ours and my husband's preference, when we grill these babies, he likes seasoning. So that's what we're doing, okay? Again, I think I'm gonna go ahead. I need to order some more of this, but Uncle Dave's. This on any meats, chicken, steak, hamburgers, y'all, you cannot go wrong. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season this. You're not gonna see, you can't see it. I'm going to season this pretty liberally, okay? You don't need a lot, of course, because the grilled taste is everything. But I'm just gonna do this, okay? And kind of massage that in. And I'm gonna allow this to sit. This is gonna be the last meat that we grill because I want this at pretty much room temperature. And it's been out for maybe 2 hours. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of pepper. Not gonna do too much at all on these steaks. But we do like seasoning on ours, okay? So I'm gonna allow these just sit. There's a little bit of seasoning all over here, y'all. So it's quite a bit. So that's gonna be enough. I'm not gonna even add garlic powder at all. But this is what we're looking like here, okay? I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna set these beauties aside, and then I'm just gonna slit those hot dogs, you know, and that's it for the meats. Oh, that is cool. Layla, I didn't even know I had a timer. Layla's ready, y'all. She's anxious. Yay! Bring it back to me, girl. You're not gonna bring it back? My husband just got home and he brought something else here for us to grill. He wanted some brats. So we'll just throw these on the grill. That's no worries. But I have my steaks here still at room temperature. We got our ribs, y'all. They're gonna be so good. This store's ribs, just chef's kiss. I don't have to do any ribs, so I'm happy with these. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw the chicken on the grill. This is Layla's little burger, hot dogs, and then we have the burgers. Layla heard burgers, and here she is, look, right here. All right, the chicken is out, y'all, and we decided just to put some more of the sauce on the chicken now, and then I'm going to place this in the oven to let it warm completely through. But that's all we're doing, honey. We are sauce people over here, okay? Y'all, it smells so good. And it's so pleasant outside. It's not bad at all, so no complaints. Perfect time for us to finish up cooking, and hopefully rain will come later.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
And this is it. We'll place these in the oven just to kind of warm through, and then we'll probably place some more sauce on here. All right, y'all, we're waiting on the steaks to finish, and we are set. We're gonna place these in the oven at about 250 degrees for about 20 minutes. Here's the brats, the burgers, and the hot dogs. Y'all, I am the hugest hot dog fan. I love a grilled hot dog. Steak is on the grill. And then we have my barbecue chicken, y'all, that's in the oven. And we're gonna let this just warm up and cook a little more. And we are set for dinner later. All right, y'all, and here are the steaks. These are the thick cut ribeyes. We put them in a container because we're not gonna eat these until tomorrow. We're gonna enjoy the ribs, probably a burger, hot dog, brat, chicken. Y'all, we have so much, but this is what they're looking like. And they're so juicy, as you can see here. And here are the barbecue baked beans. Usually my husband just gets baked beans and we kind of add the barbecue sauce or whatever to it, but he got the barbecue baked beans from Walmart and my potato salad.